Hello, welcome to the FEMAP 101 Exercise 2B tutorial on 3D highlighting, measurement, and how to perform a mass check. This exercise is a continuation of Exercise 2A. To begin, open the Exercise 2B ModPem file or a saved version of Exercise 2A. We will begin with 3D highlighting. In the Model Info tree, expand on Model, then expand on Loads, then expand on a 100-pound load, and expand once again on Load Definitions. Now, click the Highlight tool up top and select one of the three load definitions down below. The Highlight tool may be used to inspect loads, constraints, and other properties for accessibility and troubleshooting. Now, we're going to perform mass check to validate our model configuration. On the top left corner, click Tools, then Mass Properties down below, and Mesh Properties. Click on Select All, then click OK, and click OK once again. Now, notice in our message box, our mass properties is shown. Take this time to pause the tutorial and verify that both our windows match. Our last topic in this exercise is to use the measurement tool to validate geometric dimensions. Once again, on the top left corner, click Tools, then click Measure down below, and then click Distance Between Nodes. Now, you may either click on the 3D model to select two nodes. However, for this tutorial, we're going to enter manually. On the left part of the pop-up window, on the From selection box, enter 4059. And on the To selection box, we're going to enter 4075. And now we're going to click OK. And notice that our message box has updated. Click Cancel. Now, take this time to pause the tutorial and verify that both our windows match again. If they match, you may save the file, and this concludes Exercise 2B of FEMAP 101. Thank you for watching.